Has the thought of recent cybersecurity threats ever crossed your mind? In our increasingly digital world, cyber threats are more prevalent and dangerous than ever before. The year 2021 alone saw a surge in cybersecurity threats that put the digital infrastructure of many organizations at risk. In January of 2021, vulnerability nouns V2022-22960 or commonly Zerologon, called. His critical vulnerability affected Microsoft's Windows Atlassian emote protocol, allowing hackers to impersonate computer, including his main controller itself. Fast forward to March, CVE-2022-22960, a server-side request forgery (SSRF) vulnerability was found in Microsoft Exchange Server. This flaw allowed hackers to send arbitrary HTTP requests and authenticate as the Exchange Server. TCVEASRFVFIVVSIFIAUATEACBOOTMEV ASTPWSTEOC24 KKL EKVASLL TS FATFCOS LETPT RAOMA. The new year, 2022, wasn't shy of vulnerabilities either. Early on, we witnessed the exploitation of vulnerabilities in VMware products, specifically CVE-2022-22954 and CVE-2022-22960. These vulnerabilities permitted remote code execution, privilege escalation, and authentication bypass. Soon after, CVE-2022-1388 targeted F5 Big IP application delivery and security software. This vulnerability allowed unauthenticated malicious actors to bypass authentication, potentially leading to unauthorized access. Further into the year, CVE-2022-30190 affected the Microsoft Support Diagnostic tool in Windows, allowing malicious actors to take control of affected systems. Lastly, CVE-2022-26134 was another critical vulnerability that affected Atlassian Confluence and Data Center, likely exploited as a 0-day before public disclosure. These TOP12 are routinely exploited vulnerabilities. SOV AS TARC are reminder OFTHI importance OF proactive cybersecurity measures. Are regular patching, OF software A and S taying. I informed A about potential vulnerabilities A crucial TOS regarding critical S systems A and D ATA. Remember, vigilance is key in the face of cybersecurity threats. Stay informed, keep your software up to date, use strong passwords, and be cautious with email attachments and links. Your cyber safety is paramount. Thank you for joining UU's today, as WWE explored the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Stay safe and subscribe for more updates on this critical topic.